at 66 points out of 80 is the top of the line Ultra 310 LX. So let's go over it. Okay. That ski has more done to it, more changed. That I could take another hour doing this. Okay. Powertrain is a completely new ECU, completely new code, completely new engine management system. All right. Far superior engine throttle response, far superior torque curve. Everything about the powertrain, which everyone says is carryover, is demonstrably better. The hull itself is not identical. The shape is, but weight distribution and reinforcements have been modified on the hull. There are differences to the hull. Yes, the pump's the same. Okay, fine. You got me there. All right. Top deck entirely redesigned. All right. Am I? Well, of course, yeah. I haven't even gotten there yet. But am I happy with the shrinking storage? No. Innovation in the sense of the twin gull wing door glove boxes and a 10-gallon horseshoe of storage. Okay, I'll give you that. Jog dial control right there in the center and being able to scroll through the dash, without having to reach over and touch buttons on the dashboard. Okay, I'll give you that. Tactile buttons and superior controls. They're some of the best buttons. Superior to Yamaha, superior to Sea-Doo. The buttons actually click. They give an actual audible click, which your brain tells you, okay, I've switched something. So I don't have to look at my hand while I'm riding. I can look and go click, 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 click. And your brain's like, I don't have to look down and make sure that I changed something. That's a win. And no one talks about that. But I'm like, that's a serious win right there. Okay. Adjustable seat. That's new. That's innovative. Is it power electric seat? No, it's not. You have to unclick, move it back, move it forward, adjust the way you have it. That's fine. Okay. KDRS. All right. That's their drive reverse system. That's their brake. Right hand. It's all thumb and throttle are the same. It's literally one piece. Is it great? It's good. It's not great. Personally, it needs to brake harder. It needs to come on harder. It does not slow the ski down nearly as much as Ride and IBR. It just doesn't. All right. You push it and it just kind of goes. It's very gentle. All right. Ride will throw you over the bars. No, that's not true. It used to. Ride, that first year Ride came out, dude, someone threw an anchor. That Ride comes on so freaking hard that we were looking at each other like, dude, is yours coming? Jerry Gaddis and I were like, bro, that came on really hard. I mean, it really locked them up. It was really funny. IBR, I think, is on their third or fourth version. IBR it slows you down faster, but it's not nearly as jolting. It's not nearly as halting as Ride feels. So I prefer Ride because Ride is just left, right. You can put your hand on your head and back off a trailer with Ride. With IBR, you're still giving it throttle and it's more of a gear lever. So anyway, the Kawasaki braking system is good. I'm glad it's there. All right. I'm really glad it's there. Could it be better? Sure. And that's just code. All right. Because all I have to do is up the throttle a little bit in reverse, spool up the RPM, whoop, pulls it right off the trailer. Right now, if you're not deep enough on the trailer, you can't give it more throttle to get off the trailer. And that kind of sucks. LX also has the reverse facing camera. I thought that was a joke. I mean, at first I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But in use, it works. And works rather well. You're towing a ski, you're towing kids on a raft behind you, towing a ski. If you're towing a raft behind you, towing a wakeboarder or a water skier, it actually does the job. And the nice thing is that when you bring the dash up and you're riding forward and you're looking, that reverse picture takes up the whole screen except for the sides, and you have a nice border around it, so you're still seeing your speed, your drive, your compass, all these different things. So they thought enough to be like, hey, listen, if you're going to be using this dash, make it big enough, put it up tall enough that you're not looking down, but you're looking up. The Sea-Doo dash, you look down. The Yamaha dash, you're looking down. They're distracted. Okay. Cowie brings the dash up vertically enough that it's kind of in your face. So you can just do that. And that is a big difference. So there was an aesthetic choice there. I thought it did a really good job. Why didn't it win higher? Storage was number one. Storage, 3 out of the 4 of us absolutely pinged storage hard. All right. We thought the front bin storage thing is a massive seething error, like huge. We felt that, well, the sound system, hey, 4S, I forgot about it. 4S, 100-watt sound system. 4S is literally the only sound system that we've tested on the water that we had to turn down. It was quite literally too loud. All right. It's the only sound system that doesn't totally drown out at full speed. Sea-Doo drowns out, Yamaha drowns out, and we're not counting the JL audio kit because they now have fixed factory sound systems on all their runabouts. So we have to test them apples to apples. Okay. So, why didn't it win? Quite frankly, the choice is polarizing. Or the design is polarizing. It's love it or hate it. And we were split. We're like, dude, I'm not in love with it. It's got big fender flares like a 3rd generation Corvette. You know, it's got headlights. They're not headlights. They're just LED marker lights. You know, okay. But, you know, gold with the brown seat. And I'm like, well, you know, I mean, I get it. And, you know, it should be green. I'm like, how about something other than green? We've seen them all green, guys. Not every Yamaha is blue and not every Sea-Doo is yellow. But for whatever reason, Cowie green, man. You got to have Cowie green. There was an aesthetic choice. There was front storage. There was the price. Price was it's a lot of money over the next highest Sea-Doo, and that, you know, it's about almost $1,000. I mean, it's less than that. It's about $800. But it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. But the last one was the last thing that didn't really, that kind of worked against it, and that's on the affect score, was the Cowie didn't set the world on fire. And you're like, well, that's not fair, man. It's not fair. I'm like, no, it's fair. Because there are skis that go viral. RXPX, redesign of RXPX. Everybody bought an RXPX. GP 1800R 2017. Everybody bought a GP 1800R. Everyone and their mother's uncle bought one. All right. And when they redesigned it, a lot of people went and did the same exact thing. All right. The black on black FX SVHO, when I dressed up as Darth Vader, and that thing went insanely viral, and everyone had to have black on black murdered out FX. That's affect. All right. Fish Pros, sold every Fish Pro. Tricks, sell every Tricks. That's affect. All right. Sometimes skis just catch fire. All that is to be said that had the Ultra caught fire, had the Ultra just gone totally viral, I think it would have changed things. And someone asked, well, in the conversations we were having, like, well, what do you think would have done that? I said, it's happened already. And they go, what do you mean? And I said, Jesus Garcia at Riva Racing going 74 miles an hour with just a scum, with just a flash on that. And I said, had that video come out 2 weeks after that ski came out, I think a lot of people would have gone, oh, I can go 75 with a stage 1. I can go 78 with a stage 1 plus. Okay. And I think a lot of people would have jumped on board the Ultra sooner. And I think that's the big difference. I think that could have really helped the Ultra sales. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.